So guys, let's switch from our Russian accent and you'll make it. Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your coach for mastering the American accent. Today we're going to tackle a sneaky little sound. And here's the million-dollar question. Are you really pronouncing O the American way? Or are you cutting corners without even noticing? Let's face it, nobody wants to stick out like a sore thumb just because of one diphthong. But believe me, this one matters. If you flatten O into just ah, you don't just sound different. You risk sounding unclear or even unnatural. So today I'll show you the right way to nail it and give you a list of words you've probably been pronouncing wrong. In American English, the O sound isn't a plain vowel. It's a diphthong. That means your tongue moves and you glide from A to U. If you skip the glide, you're missing the sound. In fast speech, some native speakers may reduce the glide. But as a learner, you want to keep that clear movement. It'll make your speech sound polished and confident. One more important thing, you probably pronounced it as O, just like in British English. Remember, in American English, it's more rounded, so it doesn't sound like O anymore. It turns into O. Make it more rounded here. O, O, O. Now let's go through some words where students often get it wrong. Repeat after me. Not going. It's go, going. Now you, please make it beautiful. Don't, down, down. Won't, won't, only, only. Not only you, it's only. It takes some time and effort. Both, phone, phone, home, over, program. But mind the American exceptions in these words. Progress. It's progress. The same for process. Location. Located. Located. Global. Hotel. Total. Told, hold, cold, old. Told, hold, cold, old. He's not an old man, he's an old man. See, I'm helping myself with this movement. It might work for you too. So don't say I told you. Say I told you. Shoulder. Focus. Whole. Most. Motivation. Ceremony. Pro. Good job, that's more than 30, and honestly, the list could go on forever. And I really want you to learn how to pronounce these proper names, because I'm pretty sure you mispronounced them just like I did. Let's nail them. How would you pronounce this American state? Ohio. 2 diphthongs. Ohio. Don't try to speed up your speech on diphthongs. Relax and enjoy them. Once again, Ohio. Not just Ohio. Try this one. It's Oklahoma. 2 diphthongs. And this one. Colorado. What about this one? Is it Arizona? Arizona. San Diego. 2 diphthongs there, A and O. San Diego. Oh, this one is nice. Chicago. Chicago. What about this one? It's Orlando. Orlando. And you are professionals now. This one. Dakota. Dakota. I'm sure you'll manage this one easily. Dover. Dover. What about this nice place? San Francisco. San Francisco. Is it Tokyo? What do you think? Tokyo. Tokyo. Here's a quick exercise. Take a mirror and say no, don't, home, won't, Ohio. Watch your lips. They should start more rounded like aw, and then relax slightly. Oh. Please remember, in American English, it's more rounded than in British. So make an effort to open your mouth and make it aw, not oh, with a schwa, wider movement. Alright, folks. O. Remember, mastering the O diphthong is a game changer. It's the difference between sounding flat and sounding fluent. Don't throw in the towel if it feels tricky at first. Don't throw. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be speaking like a pro. Pro. If this video, hit home, drop me a comment with a word you struggle with most. Most. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't. Because we're just getting the ball rolling. Rolling. Catch you later and keep talking the talk. I'm your master. Fernando. Do you know that song? Fernando.